Propositions of function. We have known that for all x in the domain of f and f through negative and inverse function has the properties f multiplied by f for negative 1 multiplied by x is equal to x, and the f to the power of negative 1 multiplied by x times f times x is equals to x. Inverse properties. Keep in mind that these inverse properties do not apply for arbitrary values of x and y. For instance, arc sine times sine 3 pi over 2 is equal to arc sine times negative 1 is equals to negative pi over 2 is not equal to 3 pi over 2. In other words, the properties arc sine y is equal to y is not valid for values of y outside the interval negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Example 6. Using inverse properties, if possible, find the exact value. A. Tangent arc tan negative 5. B. Arc sine 5 pi over 3 cos negative 1 pi. A. Because negative 5 lies in the domain of the arctangent function, the inverse properties applies, and you have tangent arctan negative 5 is equals to negative 5. B. In this case, 5 pi over 3 does not lie within the range of the arc sine function negative pi over 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi over 2. However, the 5 pi over 3 is terminal with 5 pi over 3 minus 2 pi is equal to negative pi over 3, which does lie in the range of the arc sine function, and you have arc sine 5 pi over 3 is equal to arc sine negative pi over 3 is equal to negative pi over 3. C. The expression cos to the power of negative 1 pi is not defined because cos to the power of negative 1 pi is not defined. Remember that the domain of the inverse cosine function is negative 1 and 1.